Okay.
Okay.
So if you see this cycle from 2008 to 10, this is just 2 years, 340%.
Yeah.
Okay, see here, this is also 2 years, 2014, 13 to 15 somewhere, and this is also 400%. Okay. And from 2015 to 2020, no returns, 5 years. See, 6 months, it went up 120%. Same, it's a cyclical.
Of course, market is not a rocket; it's a cycle. People
If you
should
see this
understand this.
Sun Pharma,
Yeah.
yeah, this is a Sun Pharma.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a top company in the this medical medicines. Okay, pharmaceutical. So here, 5 years, 600%. Okay, and then sometime no return, and then again 600%, and then no returns. See, now it started
Okay.
like that. Everything is, if you see here, see the year 500%, this part, and then from 2010 to 2014 no returns, 4 years, and then again started. Only this is just 2 years, 450%. Okay, and then 6 months no returns, and then it's end up, and then 2018 to 2021 no returns, just started.
So you mean it's consolidating for a same
Yeah.
period?
Yeah, it's consolidating for 3-4 years, and then it will go up like that.
So you understand, you always observing these type of patterns, correct?
Correct. All are same, and all these are I have invested in
Yeah,
this.
in that case, what you always give up the companies and you will not keep it, like you will not own it. Time to time you give up, and
Yes,
again later you
we
will come to the stock.
We have to give up, otherwise no use.
That's the thing.
Yeah. Only this part only you have to stay in the market. That is very short term, and then you will get lot of returns.
Yeah, that means you have to understand the consolidating that period, and after that you have to enter the market. Then short period you have to exit from that stock.
Correct.
Yeah.
In this stock, I have I made a 360% returns in this stock.
Okay.
Okay, still I am holding because still I didn't get the exit signal. So it's just just a matter of few months. This kind of returns you will get.
Yeah.
All are same. See, if you see this one, so every cycle is, you will never lose money.
Yeah, if you know the subject, you will never lose money from stock market.
See,
that's
it is
true.
2018, it's a 600 rupees.
Yeah.
Now I bought at 100 rupees now. Okay, my buy price is 95 here. Okay. So now it is 120, no matter. I will, even if it goes back to 600, I will get 500% returns.
Yeah, but this drop is fundamental drop or technically? It's a fundamental maybe, that company may not perform well and that's the reason maybe come down.
That's not the reason. The reason is something different. It's a behavior. Okay. Human behavior. No, I check these things first. If you see GIC, housing, finance, you will find here what you see profits here, right?
Yeah.
It's going up. So 18, 206 crores. Okay.
Yeah.
From 57 crores.
Yeah.
So nothing is happened. Only because of COVID, year lost.
Yeah.
Okay. If you get it back again this level, if it goes back to this level, I am sure we will make. It will go back to 600.
Actually, ROE also good. This company, return on equity. 15%. So what happened to Aarti Drugs?
Aarti Drugs I exited.
How many percentage profit?
On an average around 400%.
Okay.
So if you see Aarti Drugs, it's in my radar. I will enter after 3 years.
Okay.
It will not do anything.
So you will enter in 2024 like then?
Yes, maybe 2024 I will enter. But I need to get this signal like this here, green.
Okay.
Enter it when green starts here. Okay. So you see, this is same pattern, nothing different. Here 800%, okay, and then no returns from 2015 to 20.
Yeah.
And then again these returns came within just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months.
Yeah.
Oh, I will wait. See, now gold is given some I think I have here gold.
Okay.
If you know the pattern, so it's see in this it's given some sell signal here. It's not yet confirmed. Maybe next month it will give. My expectation, it may come down to here.
Okay.
1525.
Because that trend line's just like turning.
See here, previous cycle it's around 40% down, and then it started somewhere in October 2000, somewhere December or January 2019 something, and then from there it's given 50% return. Now it's going down.
Okay.
So even our currency will now USD will go down. USD it's already made a it started to going down.
Yeah, because but what about GBP?
GBP I don't follow that.
Okay.
So now it will go down. Even our exchange rate, everything. See this company, it's same. All companies are same. See, 100% here, 300%, and here also almost 300%. And then from 2018, no returns till today. Okay, last month just started. It's somewhere here. So I'm sure it will give returns 200-300% from here. So I will exit exactly at that point.
Okay, which stocks we should look now?
See here, this is exactly 400-500%, and then now we are ready to go up. So my buy is here.
Okay.
So somewhere here exactly. So I made so far my returns this much. Okay. So it will go up. People are thinking that this is something bubble gibble, nothing, no bubble, nothing. It's a behavior only.
Yeah.
Market behavior. So if you see this 10 times every time, this last cycle 10 times, before two times, I'm expecting here 10 times.
Yeah.
Okay, this is see Mastech. See, same every time 300%. It's clear. And then there is a big gap.
Yeah.
1 year, 2 years. No need to be there in that company.
Okay.
So this is plastic company Nilkamal. Maybe you know Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
So they have business.
Yes.
See, this is a 10 times. So I'm expecting 10 times.
Earlier we discussed about this company. Remember?
Nilkamal. Yeah. And then this is a tire company, TVS Sri Chakra. So see, 12 times. So from there, from almost it started from 2015, no returns. It will start now.
Yeah.
So I entered somewhere here, 1,400. So see this tide water, every time same 100%, something like that. So this is some technical, see this company I bought in November, it's become 70% return for me. Still it did not reach 2015. See 2015, 16 it was 1,200.
Yeah.
So see this company, this same 500% every time, 5 years. Okay. So all same.
It's really great. Because in that case, no risk at all, no? Very less, minimum risk. Because you know the pattern. Because you have studied it.
See this one, 600%. I made already here 40% returns in this company. Okay. So this is 3 months only just. But it's not at all started. See in 2017, this peak was 900. We are talking about 2021 after almost 4 years, no returns.
Okay.
So definitely it will catch up the valuations.
Yeah.
See this company 200, 250%, 250%, and then from 2013 even it's not reached 2013 price now.
Yeah. True.
So now I entered here. All are same. See this company already 80% up. So we just enter here, okay?
Yeah.
Even your companies also can check. What is your company? Any one company, tell me.
You go to csc.lk. Okay, you are telling about this. Okay,
Any
just CCS. Yeah. Ceylon Coal Stores.
This one?
No. It's coming.
No, it's not there here.
Not there here, right? It should be there, no?
But for the issue, you should explain the complete name.
Ceylon Coal Stores.
SI
CEYLON.
CY.
LON.
It's not here. Maybe it's
Not I. E for elephant. CEY.
CY, yeah.
CEY. Yeah.
Is there
Ceylon.
here?
Ceylon graphite. Ceylon graphite. Ceylon graphite. No. It's not there. That means not listed. This is.
Sri Lankan market is not there, I think.
Yeah, maybe. It's not there, no? No. That's the reason.
Maybe you can check your charts if you have anything.
Yeah.